just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste. I know they want my downfall.
Hey guys, it's your girl, the Makeup Plug, and I'm back again with another video. And as you guys see, I'm doing a nail tutorial today, and I'm using PolyGel. Yes, I said it. I finally bought it. I broke down and I was like, let me just try this out. And I got the mini kit. I guess it comes with 3 colors, and it comes with the top coat, base coat, and the nail forms. I didn't use the nail forms. I didn't like them. But yes, these are all the colors I got. I'm using light pink, and this is my little setup today. So yes, I have already started setting up and started my nails. I left this one nail off of this whole hand just because I wanted you guys to see, and that's my better hand to do it on. So you will need tips, you will need electric drill if you do not have files. You will need a nail clipper like this, an acrylic nail clipper. That's actually perfect to help clip the tips as well, so it won't be janky. And you will need a UV light, and you will need more files. Also, if you haven't already, I'm gonna need you guys to go down and subscribe, and also leave a like or a comment. I appreciate every feedback that I get, and I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. So what I'm doing now is just filing my own nail before I put the tip on, just to get it a little rough. So right now you see me applying the tip. The tips I'm using today are the Macart tips, and I really do love these. They're very gentle, they're very thin, and they're not heavy, and they don't like poke you. Now I'm taking this top coat, I'm applying this on top of the tip, and I'm doing this before I apply the PolyGel, because this is actually going to be a great base for the PolyGel. And this is the PolyGel I'm using. This is in light pink, and I have my slip solution to the side and my brush. And also, I took the end of that brush and dipped it in alcohol before I picked up the PolyGel, and that actually did help. It wasn't hard for me to squeeze the product out. I hear a lot of people complaining about that, but it was fairly easy for me. You just push the product out the tube. But yes, I slid it onto the nail bed. I picked the middle of my nail almost towards the end, but not too much, because I didn't want the product to fall on my fingers. And a side note, you never want too much slip solution on your brush. You never want your brush to be super wet. So a little bit goes a long way. You will tell when you need more slip solution on your brush. Your brush will start to stick to the product, and it will start to lift a little bit. So once your brush starts doing that, then you'll need more product on your brush. Under the nail, because usually PolyGel will fall a little bit under there, so just easily clean it up, just like slide it through. I needed more PolyGel, so I'm just adding very little bit just to certain points of my nail, just because I feel like the color can be a little bit more intense, if you get what I mean, or more pigmented maybe. But I love this light pink color. I would not change it at all. Spread this part just a little bit, because it's all repetition. You know, take your time. A little bit goes a very long way, and never feel rushed. This is you doing your own nails. Never feel like you are on somebody else's time. Okay guys, we are done this nail. Only thing I'm doing is just like finishing touches. I'm just trying to make sure the shape is correct. And y'all, I love it. Of course we're gonna do filing, but y'all, this is really, really good. For my first full set, I did a great job, seriously. Okay, so this is my nail straight out the UV lamp, and you can see the nails file versus the nail that I just did. Like, I need to create some shape within this really quick. So what I'm going to do is do the rest of my nails before I shape that nail, and it's on time lapse, so you guys can just relax, listen to the music, and watch me do my nails. And guys, do not forget to subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and leave me likes and comments. Shout out to me.